is all about things you do during the holiday season that would be considered pretty weird if you did them literally any other time. From making houses out of food to decorating a dead plant in your living room, Christmas is low-key kind of weird if you think about it, and the only reason so many of these things are acceptable is because it's the holiday season. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and maybe find some humor in it, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. House I made is.
Why would you do that? I thought you were gonna eat lunch.
I don't know, guess I wasn't really hungry, but look how cute it is. Guys, look! I found the pickle! Friend, guess what?
What?
I hid a pickle somewhere in the house, and you need to find it.
You hid a pickle?
Yeah, go find it. Rude. Ooh, can we take Liberty Road? I heard they have the cutest Christmas lights. Hey Bryn, can we take Charleston Road back home? I've heard they have like these really nice street lamps. I don't know, I just really want to see them.
Ella, what?
They're cute, trust me. Just take Charleston.
Are you gonna eat that?
No.
Then who's it for?
No one.
So you're putting food out for no one to eat on purpose?
Yep. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Merry Christmas! Happy holidays!
Bye, thank you.
5, 6, 7, 8. Wake me up before you go. Ooh. I'll be there. I have the perfect setup for this. What?
Hey Ella, why did I just get a photo of you and your dog in the mail?
Perfect. Hey Ella, can I borrow? What are you doing?
Hope you all enjoyed that video. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Snapchat, so go ahead and follow me all of those. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!